What's up guys, it's Adventure Spark. Imagine this. You wake up, check your phone, and bam, you've already made hundreds of bucks while you were sleeping. No, it's not some crazy dream, it's the power of AI. We're talking about robots making you money, and trust me, this is huge. We're diving deep into the future of making money online, and it's all thanks to the power of AI. Whether you're just starting out or you're already a money-making machine, these AI tools are about to change the game. We're talking 5 mind-blowing methods that are like printing cash, and the best part, AI does most of the heavy lifting for you. Stick around because I'm going to drop a secret AI trick at the end that can explode your income faster than you can say algorithm. Get ready to have your minds blown because we're about to unlock the secrets to financial freedom in the age of AI. Let's do this. Alright guys, first up is something anyone can do, even if you've never made a dime online. We're talking about selling AI-generated content. Think blog posts, marketing copy, even entire ebooks. And the best part is, you don't need to be Shakespeare to make this work. We've got AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and Pseudowrite that are basically like having a team of professional writers at your beck and call 24/7. Imagine pumping out high-quality content without pulling an all-nighter or downing gallons of coffee. That's the power of AI, my friends. Now here's where the money comes in. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour are teaming with people who need killer content, and they're willing to pay top dollar for it. Offer your AI-powered writing services and watch the orders roll in. But wait, there's more. You can also create your own ebooks on any topic you can imagine and sell them on Amazon KDP. Think about it. Passive income while you sleep just because AI is cranking out bestsellers for you. It's like having a money printing machine in your living room. And for all you creative entrepreneurs out there, how about starting a YouTube script writing business? Content creators are always hungry for fresh, engaging scripts, and you can be the one to provide them with AI-powered magic. Pro tip: use Quillbot to give your AI-generated content that extra polish and make it stand out from the crowd. It's like having a personal editor on speed dial. So there you have it, guys. Turning words into cash with the power of AI. It's easy, it's profitable, and it's the future of content creation. Next up, we're diving into the world of art and design, but hold on to your hats because AI is about to blow your mind. Forget spending years mastering Photoshop or Illustrator. AI can now create stunning graphics, illustrations, and even logos in seconds. We're talking about tools like Canva AI, Midjourney, and DALL-E 3 that let you unleash your inner digital Picasso without ever picking up a paintbrush. Imagine typing in a few keywords and watching in awe as AI generates a masterpiece right before your eyes. It's like magic, but it's real, and it's about to make some serious bank. So, how do you turn these AI-powered masterpieces into cold, hard cash? Well, my friends, the possibilities are endless. You can sell your AI-generated logos and designs on platforms like Fiverr or 99 Designs, where businesses are constantly on the lookout for fresh, eye-catching visuals. But why stop there? Take your designs to the next level with print-on-demand services. Slap your AI-generated art onto t-shirts, mugs, posters, phone cases, you name it. People will be rocking your designs all over the world, and you'll be raking in the profits. And for all you crypto enthusiasts out there, the NFT craze is far from over. Create your own AI-generated NFT art collection and list it on platforms like OpenSea. Who knows, you might just create the next crypto punk and become an overnight millionaire. Bonus tip: if you're looking to create hyper-realistic digital art that will have collectors drooling, check out Leonardo AI. This bad boy can generate artwork so lifelike that people won't believe it was created by a machine. We're talking about pieces that can sell for hundreds, even thousands of dollars. Chapter 3: AI Video Creation and Editing. Lights, Camera, AI Action. Hold on to your seats, folks, because things are about to get really meta. What if I told you that AI can now create entire YouTube videos without you ever having to step in front of a camera? That's right, we're talking about AI taking over the entire video creation process from script to screen. Tools like Pictory AI, Synthesia, and Runway ML are changing the game for content creators. Imagine generating faceless YouTube videos with AI avatars and voiceovers that sound eerily human. No more camera shyness, no more expensive equipment, just pure AI-powered creativity. So, how do you turn this futuristic tech into a cash cow? Well, for starters, you can launch your own faceless YouTube channel. Pump out engaging content in any niche you can think of, and watch as the views and ad revenue start rolling in. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Offer your AI video editing skills to influencers and brands who are always looking for ways to streamline their content creation process. With AI by your side, you can edit videos in a fraction of the time it would take a human, making you the go-to editor for busy creators. And if short-form video is more your jam, AI has got you covered there too. Use AI to automate your TikTok and Instagram Reels creation, and sell your services to businesses looking to up their social media game. The demand for short-form video content is through the roof, and AI can help you capitalize on this booming market. Pro tip: don't underestimate the earning potential of faceless YouTube channels. With the right content and a bit of marketing savvy, you can easily earn thousands of dollars per month through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Chapter 4, AI Voiceovers and Audiobooks. The Rise of the AI Voice Actors. Get ready to have your minds blown because we're about to enter the world of AI voiceovers. Remember those robotic voices from old-school sci-fi movies? Yeah, well, forget about those because AI voices are now so realistic that they're giving professional voice actors a run for their money. We're talking about tools like 11 Labs AI, Play HT, and Murph AI that can generate human-like voiceovers in a matter of minutes. Need a voiceover for your latest YouTube video? Boom! AI's got you covered. Want to turn your blog post into an audiobook? No problem, AI can handle that too. Now let's talk about the money-making potential here. Businesses are constantly on the lookout for high-quality voiceovers for their ads, animations, explainer videos, you name it. With AI, you can offer these services at a fraction of the cost of traditional voice actors, making you a serious contender in the voiceover market. But wait, there's more! Remember the audiobook craze we talked about earlier? Well, you can cash in on that too by creating and selling AI-generated audiobooks on platforms like Audible or Google Play Books. Imagine having a whole library of audiobooks narrated by AI, generating passive income while you sleep. And for all you podcasters out there, AI can be your secret weapon for creating professional-sounding episodes. Use AI to narrate your podcasts, add intros and outros, and even create different voices for different characters or segments. Bonus tip: want to take things to the next level? Use AI to clone your own voice. That's right, you can create a digital twin of your voice and use it for all your branding and content creation needs. Talk about a unique selling proposition. Chapter 5. AI-Powered Affiliate Marketing. Automate your way to passive income. Alright guys, get ready for the grand finale, the ultimate way to make money online with AI affiliate marketing on autopilot. That's right, we're talking about using AI to do the heavy lifting for you while you sit back, relax, and watch the commissions roll in. Now, for those of you who don't know, affiliate marketing is all about promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission on every sale you make. It's like being a digital salesperson but without the cheesy sales pitches and cold calls. So where does AI come in? Well, my friends, AI can automate pretty much every aspect of affiliate marketing, from finding profitable keywords to writing SEO-optimized blog posts that rank high on Google. Tools like ChatGPT combined with Surfer SEO are like having a team of marketing gurus working for you around the clock. They can help you identify high-converting keywords, write blog posts that are optimized for both search engines and human readers, and even build automated sales funnels that convert visitors into buyers. But wait, there's more. You can also use AI chatbots like ManyChat AI to automate your customer interactions and provide instant support to potential buyers. Imagine having a 24/7 sales team that never sleeps, never complains, and always closes the deal. That's the power of AI chatbots. And if email marketing is your game, AI can help you craft high-converting email sequences that nurture your leads and turn them into loyal customers. Tools like Copy.ai can generate compelling email copy that gets clicks and drives sales, making you an email marketing ninja. Bonus tip: want to maximize your affiliate earnings? Join high-ticket affiliate programs that pay out big commissions, sometimes hundreds or even thousands of dollars per sale. With AI by your side, you can automate your way to affiliate marketing success and achieve true financial freedom. Outro: unleash the power of AI and start making money today. Boom! There you have it. 5 mind-blowing ways to use AI to make money online in 2025. We've gone from writing blog posts to creating art, from making YouTube videos to recording audiobooks and even automating affiliate marketing empires. The future is here and it's powered by AI. So which one of these methods are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. I'm pumped to see what you guys come up with. And hey, while you're down there, smash that like button and subscribe to Money Via for more epic money-making strategies every single week. Don't forget, the future belongs to those who embrace it. So what are you waiting for? Jump on the AI bandwagon and let's start building the future of wealth together. Until next time, peace out.